Alessandro, and within Aindo we believe that data is king, and in particular sensitive biomedical data, because these represent particular category in personal data under GDPR. Therefore, access to this data is hindered, and medical research is often stuck because of not availability of real patient data. Therefore, we have developed a solution that allows access to this data through synthesization. Data synthesization is a process to produce a fake version of real dataset that mimic the statistical properties of real data. And it's super to use for medical researchers, physicians, doctors, and also data science that want to perform medical research and drug development. This is useful, of course, in the pharmaceutical world, but also in the health insurances vertical, where data-hungry players always struggle to get access to high-quality GDPR-compliant data. Since we are the only player in Europe who is Europe Privacy certified, we are the only one that can produce certified GDPR-compliant real-world data. The challenges that we're facing now relies in letting the industry and the healthcare system understand that the data that we are producing are not only statistically and clinically equivalent to the real one, but also that it's not possible to re-identify through the use of synthetic data. We do expect from this acceleration program to build up and expand our network of investor and commercial partners.